everyone, I'm Esther Kovac, co-founder of Drone Talks and founder of Ariel Cities, the VIP invitation-only event for the European decision makers. Who do we invite? We invite decision makers from the drone AM industries, from government, and this year, what is really new, we will have leaders from disruptive, innovative companies such as e-scooter or Airbnb, and we try to learn from them. How do they get into cities? What did they do? And what was the approach when they started to innovate within city stakeholders and within the city's space? We will also invite users from cities such as police, forces, hospitals, and a lot more. Check out the program here, and if you are a decision maker, fill the form to be able to invite you to this free event, and we will review your application and make a decision.